Good morning! Today is March 14 and today I turn a year older. Guys, tumatanda na tayo. Tumatanda na ako. Today is that day. Other than that, ngayon din yung birthday ng dad ko. So, happy birthday to me and happy birthday to my dad because it's another year of celebrating our day. So, ngayon yung mga ganap ko today, I wanted to vlog it kasi I think eventful siya. Hindi ako masyadong makaka-celebrate with fam kasi conflict ng schedule. Tsaka, in general, hindi din ako masyadong makakapag-celebrate kasi bukas thesis defense namin, which is pray for our defense. Pero, ang ganap ko later is pupunta akong concert ni Jisoo. And if you know my friend Jules, she's one of my best friends here sa college. Sasama daw niya ako and parang birthday gift na niya sa akin yun. So, I'm so excited. Pero before that, pupunta ako kanila Ate Ai because I haven't seen them in a while. Wala lang na-miss ko sila. So, pupunta ako sa condo and then after that, pupunta ako sa friends ko and then in a concert. And we'll just see how today unravels. So, another year older. Sentiments ko lang for my birthday since you should celebrate yourself, diba, sa birthday. My birthday wish for myself is to more happy and healing days because everybody, not just me, deserves to be happy and to be healed from what they're wounding from. So, I just finished getting ready, guys, and paalis na ako papunta kay Ate Ai kasi mag-simple lunch lang kami, tas catch up. This afternoon, diretso na akong condo kasi yun nga yung concert sa hapon. And then, ang funny nga kasi afternoon, since I mentioned may thesis defense kami bukas, as in, todo aral na. So, I don't think makakatulog ako ng mahimbing tonight. Actually, I don't think makakatulog ata ako. I already packed my stuff na kasi doon ako tutulog mamaya sa condo ng friend ko, which is si Aying. Wow! Happy birthday to me!
Pin mo na yung birthday mo na rin. Bano lang siya.
Yay! Yay! Happy birthday to you!
Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Look at my birthday cake, everyone. It's so big. Kala mo, hirap ikat.
Liit-liit. Nanahirapan ka ba nga?
Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday, man.
First bite of my birthday cake.
Masarap.
Taste test with rain.
Di ba? Malaki pa yan eh.
Pistachio fix.
Nakarami. Walang... Matamis kasi yung bisco for my taste.
Masarap siya. Noong una akala ko yung green matcha yun. Pistachio. Try natin tong bisco.
Ano masusunod?
So.
Di ba? Mas masarap yung pistachio kasi hindi siya nakaumay. Kaya masikat siya.
Maki, my baby bear missed me. Maki! Lati! Lati! Namiss mo ako? Namiss mo ako. Maki! Maki! Aww. Ano to, Jules?
Ano?
Money.
Aww!
Diba yung may kumakain?
Oh!
Hala! Cute! Maaga pa para umiyak ako.
Oo, masarap ang maaga. Actually, hindi. Pwede na.
Pwede na? Tanghali na ba? Aww, thank you, Jules! Guys, I just finished getting ready and look at, oh, it's so bright. Look at my makeup in the sun! It's a good makeup day kasi feeling ko the world is on my side kasi birthday ko. Look, feeling. Anyways, ito yung outfit ko. Yeah. This is how I did my hair. Tapos ito yung makeup ko.
Maybe complete. You look like everything I see.
umabot kami. Mga isang kanta lang ng sound check ni Jisoo. Kasi ayaw kami papasukin. Guys, update. Mas malapit kami sa stage. Nalit kami kanina pero mas malapit kami sa stage. Dapat gawa tayong placard para mapansin tayo. Picture kami dito kami guys. Ano masasabi mo na malapit tayo kay Jisoo?
Thank you, Mommy.
Ako naman, thank you, Jules. Pa-birthday sa akin, Jules.
Dami ko ng pa-birthday sa'yo, ha?
Mabawi ako mga next live. Ano masasabi mo na may defense pa tayo bukas?
Kasi maangat tuloy ako.
May defense pa kami bukas, guys. Mga 2:30. Tapos, yung klase namin sa isang subject namin na major, 9 AM. Team, walang tulugan. A. Vlog takeover.
Hiro ka na, guys.
At ito ang katawa si Jisoo. Literal na sa harap ko si Jisoo.
Iiyak na ako.
Bakit iiyak? Bakit may pag-iyak?
Pagod na ako.
Wag!
Inaantok na ako.
Anong iyak? Sino sabing iyak?
Ako.
Sige, iyak tayo. Parang wala naman ako suot. May suot ko akong damit.
Wala na ako, bad puso.
Para kay Jisoo.
어렵네요. 이제 못 들려드릴 유아를 나오고
Hey, last question is, how does your office in Brazil look like? So, and where is your favorite hangout spot in the building?
My building.
A really nice one for you. Okay, so now action with your fingernails. So she saw it for the first time today.
Yeah, it's my first time.
It's also one of the favorite songs of the Brinks. Okay, so the first Filipino phrase is mahal ko kayo. Could you say it?
mahal 꼭 가요.
Guess what that means?
mahal. 아까 그 사랑에 있던 단어인데. mahal.
And the second, I love.
사랑해요?
I love you. Oh my god! That's so good! Gesture. Show what Charo
nagyayabang namin.
May ganyan din ako pero nasa moto.
Sign to, like literal bago lang na sign na parang photo card. Oh, thank you, Jules. Ito yung birthday gift niya talaga sa akin. Isang flower dyan. Hey! Hey! Oh, earthquake naman. Yan. It's flower ulit. Ay! Bawal yun oh. Angkas Gaming. Ay, Movie Gaming. Hello. Hi guys. Papunta na kami sa defense. Defense. Last defense.
Last defense of our lives.
We can do this, guys.
Confidence level, 95%. Standard error, 5%.
This is us after defense!
Ilan nakuha natin? 4. Guys, muntik na kami mag...
Besties!
I just love the taste of nothing. Yay!